Welcome back to iAutoAgent. This is Jason, and it's my pleasure to present to you this 2012 Mustang GT 5.0 with just 7,941 miles on it. As you can see, I'm about 4 feet away from the Mustang, and the only thing that stands out is that beautiful pink color and amazing striping. Making our way to the rear of the vehicle, let's get a closer look at that exhaust. Take a look at our trunk. Nice ample storage space, nice deep well. Making our way around to the passenger side, you can see this car is in perfect condition. An amazing hood scoop. Retro headlights. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at these 20-inch rims. Beautiful concave Ferrada rims. Let's go ahead and step inside. Take a look at that beautiful black leather interior. The stitching and the inlaid stripe really sets this off. Well, there you have it, folks. If you would like to learn more about this 2012 Mustang GT 5.0, please visit us at www.iAutoAgent.com.